Good morning everyone. Myself Shubham Jain, owner of Ayurvedic channel The Indian Pathy, welcomes you all in today's 4-day webinar series of IoT. Our resource person and our guest speaker, Dr. Sangamesh sir, is with us. I wish to welcome you here, sir. He is BMS MD and PhD scholar and assistant professor in Department of Panchakarma in SS Ayurvedic Medical College, Haveri, Karnataka. We are grateful for your presence and very thankful that you could make time for our students out of your busy schedule. I hope webinar will be good and informative to all of us. So, continuing the third day of our webinar series with our third topic, that is practical application of Nasya Karma, a case studies. Now, before starting, I would like to introduce some rules to the participants. Please keep your mic off during the presentation. If you have queries, you can put your questions in the chat box. It will be discussed later upon according to the time. So without wasting much time, I will request Dr. Sangamesh sir to start our today's webinar on the practical application of Nasya Karma case studies. Thank you sir and over to you.
Yes, very good morning to everyone and to all the participants. And today, my topic, Anasya Karma, a case studies, whatever the clinical case studies are there, I am going to start the webinar presentation of my on the subject Nasya Karma, a case studies. And now I am going to start the webinar seminar. And I am going to share my screen with my presentation. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes sir, it is visible.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes sir, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Once again, welcome to all and good morning to a session, a webinar session. Today's topic is a practical application of Nasya Karma as a case studies. Nasya is one of the Panchakarma which has got its own importance, very much peculiar and very important Nasya Karma, though the procedure or the Pradhana Karma or the Purva Karma or the Paschat Karma has got a simpler thing. It does the very much effective in curing the diseases, which is done in predominance of Vata, in predominance of Vata dosha, in predominance of Tridosha, or in predominance of the Vata dominance and the Pitta dominance majorly, which is acting on the Urdhva Jaturdhva Gatha Bhaga diseases, with the CNS related diseases, with the neurological and the musculoskeletal disorders, which helps by its own way, it acts on its own way on the patient. And next, today, without wasting much of the time, I am going to start the topic of my webinar session, practical application of Nasya Karma case studies, a third day webinar series. Welcome to all. Practical application of Nasya Karma case studies. The main contents today I am going to explain it is a Nirukti and Veda of Nasya Karma. I am going to concentrate on these topics, the contents, the Nirukti and Veda, indications and contraindications of the Nasya Karma, speciality and advantages of Nasya Karma, how it has got its own advantages in day-to-day practices, how the Nasya Karma is done, and case studies. in water and all the conditions, whichever I have been practiced, I have been applied in my clinical practice in some of the cases. I am going to explain you with a visualization. And next is a discussion and conclusion part. Next is referral part. And next, today the Nasya has got its own importance. That's what I have told. Nasya, the administration of medication is called as, through nose is called as Nasya. The nose is a doorway to brain, and it is also the doorway to consciousness. And excess of bodily humors accumulated in sinus, throat, nose, in all the Urdhva Jaturdhagata Bhagas, head areas eliminated by means the nearest possible opening the nose. In our body, day to day life due to medicines, tobacco, alcohol, and irregular diets and sleeping disturbances, in intake of painkillers, antibiotics, oral contraceptives, steroids, suppressive urges, means the Vegadharanas, mental stresses, depressions, night awaking, in all these cases, in Shirogata Vyadhis mainly, suffered from many painful diseases. About 60% of the people are suffering from Shirogata Rogas and having other complications. So it has got an Nasya has got a good demand and good choice of a treatment in time known about the Nasya Karma in Panchakarma. And next is, directly I am going to explain the definition, the Urdhva Jatrudhva Vikareshu Visheshannasya Mishyate Nasahi Shirasodwaram Tena Tadhyapya Antitan. Means, in Ayurveda, according to the Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana 20/1 in Ayurveda, Nasya Karma is a treatment useful in Urdhva Jaturdhagata Rogas, Vyadhis. These area mainly related to head, neck and face and throat. As per Ayurveda, Kapha dosha is situated in this region, hence it is vitiated kapha is relieved from such a local place. And significance of an Nasya Karma. Nastaha karma cha kurvita sirorogeshu shastravid dwaram hi shiraso nasa tena tad vyapya hantitan औषधम सिद्धो वास्नेहो नासिकाभ्याम दीयते इति नस्यम. As earlier discussed, Panchakarma are the mainstay of treatment in Ayurveda, where the Shodhana are the eradication of doshas, eradication of toxins from an Shirogata Bhaga, Urdhva Jaturdhagata Bhaga, are related to CNS and musculoskeletal disorders. For a purpose, the Ayurveda has mentioned the Panchakarma in detail and mentioned about the how to use the Panchakarma, means the Nasya, in various disease and conditions. Importance of Nasya. What is the main importance of Nasya? The most common used popular OPD procedure Panchakarma in Chalukya specialties, wide variety of diseases ranging from minor to major diseases, trivial to emergency conditions. In emergency, in stroke, in Pakshagata condition, in CNS related disorders, in so much of an CNS related disorders, in Guillain-Barré syndromes, in the Ardhitva, in the facial paralysis cases, so much of an ENT disorders. In case of an strokes also, the Tikshna Nasya is very widely used. Nasya has got a systematic effect and is widely used in prevention and promotion of and treatment of many Vata and Kapha diseases. Maharshi Atreya has given place of Sirovirechana while mentioning the drugs used in Panchakarma in Apamarga Tanduli Adhyaya. It has been explained. And how the nasal drug delivery actually acts. The intranasal route encouraging the approach of the delivery of drugs brain, the delivery of drugs to CNS from nasal route may occur through olfactory neuroepithelium. Drug delivery through nasal route into CNS has been reported for Alzheimer's diseases, brain tumors, epilepsy, and pain and pain and sleep disturbances disorders. In recent time, the nasal drug delivery received a great deal of attention, and its convenient, promising, and reliable way systemic administration of drugs, especially to those which are ineffective orally, and those must be administered by which must be administered by injectables and all. Advantages of drug delivery. How it is advantage in all the treatments of Panchakarma, how the nasya is advantage, how it is helpful in general practice. Hepatic first pathway metabolism is avoided, where the toxicity of a drug it is not indicated here. Toxicity of a drug does not happen here. Improving the patient compliance compared with the parental route. It is very tough to take an injectables or the parental routes drug treatment. Needle-free, drug-free applications with the presence of trained personal facilities of self-medications. Drug degradation is observed in gastrointestinal tract can be bypassed. Using an absorption enhancer, bioavailability of a large drug molecules can be improved through nasal route. Where the absorption is enhancing, the bioavailability of a large drug molecules can be improved through nasal route. Rapid drug absorption, quick onset of results are bioavailability of a nasal route or the drug molecules are good. And next is the drug processing poor stability in GIT fluids given nasal route. Studies reveals that recent studies nasal route is an alternate to parental route, especially for protein and peptide drugs. A polar compound exhibiting the poor oral absorption may be particularly suited for this route of delivery. Convenient for the patients, especially for those who are on long-term therapies when compared to parental applications. And what are the disadvantages? We should not discuss only the advantages. I am also concentrating on disadvantages of nasal drug therapy. The nasal cavity provides the smaller absorption surface where the part or the local part where we are going to induce the drug, it's a smaller space when compared to gastrointestinal. Gastrointestinal tract is an elaborate and bigger to absorb the drug. There is a possibility of irritation when compared to oral. There will be in through nasal way, through a nose, when we are advocating the medicament, it irritates. It may gives a burning sensation. It may feel a discomfort in throat and nose. That is which well possible of an irritation when compared. Irritation will be there. And the substance and constituents added to dosage from may cause a local effects and irreversible damage of an cilia. Cilia will be maybe chances for damage. And nasal mucosa. On the nasal mucosa, there could be a mechanical loss of dosage from into and other parts respiratory tract such as our lungs due to improper technique of an administration. Certainly, surfactants used in the chemical enhancers may disrupt even dissolve the membrane in the high concentration. Due to its high concentration, the chemical enhancers may disrupt even dissolve the membrane also. You may get certainly a certain disadvantages through a nasal drug delivery through nasya. And next is a classification. How Acharyas has been classified depends on the practice of a nasya. Depends on the practice of a nasya. Depends on the cases. Depends on the dosha nirvahana. While the time of an practice, they have been classified. Charakokta, these are all the Acharyas has been classified as an Charakokta nasya, as an Ashraya Veda, Karma Veda. What is mean by Ashraya? If we are dependent on the... Hello, is it audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir, continue.
Charakokta nasya. The asraya bheda, the asraya means we are depending on the phala, patra, mula, kanda, pushpa, niryasa, tak. These are all the parts used for a treatment in nasya medicament as a nasya drug. Those are only classified as an ashraya bheda. Means phala, vidanga, patra, the surasa, mula means the Vishnu Kranta, and kanda, lashuna. The for an examples, the kanda, lashuna kanda is used. Pushpa, arka pushpa is used. Niryasa, the devadara niryasa is used. And tok, the meshashangi tok is used. In case of an phala, vidanga phala is used. Patra, surasa is used. Depends on the ashraya bheda, depends on the phalapatra, mula, kanda, pushpa, niryasa, the Vedas has been classified. Vedas has been classified. Different materials are used in the nasya. Like in churna, kalka, swarasa, kshira, kwata, sara, udaka, duma, and mansarasa, taila, krita. Depends on the doshas, the different materials, different medicaments are used. With an karma veda, how it has been classified? With the karma veda, the duma is given as a medicament, and churna is used, and the mapana. In churna, the mapana nasya is done, and duma, the dumana is taken. Whatever the thing, the pandemic in whatever the duma are the inhalation we are taking. In that the prayogika, vairechika, snehika, snehana, virechana. These are the virechana means the doshas are the toxins relieved from an shiro bhaga. Urdhva jatodata bhaga means the churna is a mapananasya. It is called as an, in case of an emergency conditions, the mapananasya is used. The karma veda, the taila is used, which is called as an marsha and pratimarsha. Marsha is a classical procedure which has been done in our hospitals after and the Purva karma and the Pradhana karma and the marsha nasya is done. Pratimarsha nasya, we can advocate in the patients to have in their home only the limited dosage of a nasya taila or the medicament is used in it. The marsha is a navana and avapida. One is the marsha navana nasya, which is used for the shodhana. And next the marsha has got another classification, avapidana, which gives the pidana, which relieves the doshas from certain local place. It is called as the avapidana. In that the shodhana, it may be shodharanasya or it may be stambananasya. For indrakta pitta and etc. It may be given or in case of the epistaxis or in case of where the sinusitis, deviated nasal septums in nasal polyps and the as a shodhana it is given. At a stambana it is given. And next the namana nasya is it may be a snehana nasya or shodhana nasya also it may be there. Depends on the systematic manner the students can remember this, because it is the classification has been done on ashraya bheda and karma bheda. Depends on our practice, depends on our patients, depends on the dosha, depends on the diseases, roga and the doshas. It has been classification has been done. According to Charakokta, these are all the classifications. And next according to Shushutokta, the Shirovirechana and Snehana. That's what we have been explained. The Shirovirechana has gotten the two types, avapidana and pradhamana nasya, and Snehana got the taila, the nasya and pratimarsha nasya. According to the Bhoja told the nasya prayogika and snehika, Darlana has explained the samjna prabodhana and stambana nasya, Vagbhara told the virechana, brohana and the shavana nasya, the Bhavamishra told the rechana and the snehana nasya. In Rechana, the next the avapidana pradhamana nasya comes, and snehana, marsha and pratimarsha again they repeat things of whatever the has been explained. And Sharangadhara has been explained the Rechana, snehana and the pradhamana nasya. Brohana is a Rechana and avapidana, marsha nasya and pratimarsha nasya. As the pradhamana nasya comes in, above that it has been the types of an pradhamana nasya. Totally nasya karna has 5 varieties. Nasya, Sirovirechana and the Pratimarsha, avapidana means the pradhamana. The avapidana means where the pidana of an swarasa is done. The pidana of a swarasa is done, and the swarasa drops are given as a medicament through nasally. The pidana. Pradhamana means the churna. Pradhamana is done. These are all the explanation of the classifications according to the Shushruta. Acharya Shushruta. And next I am going to enter into and directly to the how the nasya is done. Mainly how the nasya is done. Main thing there are briefly I am going to explain about the nasya karma. The nasya karma is an arraign therapy which is got in 3 steps. First one is purva karma, collection of the necessary materials. The collection of a necessary materials. In the before giving a nasya, collection of a necessary materials or equipment should be done. There should be a special room for nasya graha, and from atmospheric condition like a flow of air or the dust extraction should not there, and with the appropriate light arrangements following are the collected nasya arrangements are done. For an example, the nasya asana or the nasya yantra and the pratimash where the nasya aushadhi should be kept ready. The churna kalka or the swarasa, kshira, udaka, whatever the depends on the dosha doshas. And nasya yantra, the for an avapidana marsha and the pratimarsha nasya, there should be a proper the sutika or the pichu or the pradhama nasya, shadangula nadi specific, the Duma yantra for Duma and the nasya is required. These are all the preparation should be done before the purva karma. And preparation of a patient. How the patient is prepared for an nasya karma? All the vitals should be examined. All the vitals should be examined. The BP, pulse, saturation, and advise the patient to be before that all the natural urges like urine, stool should be passed. He should be passed the urine and stools, and advise the patient to lie down on the nasya table. Murdu abhyanga is done on the scalp, forehead, and the galabhaga up to 8 to 15 minutes, and medicated like whatever depends on the doshas, bala taila, rana taila, whatever we may be using. The abhyanga is done. The sneha should not be given internally before nasya karma. According to the Ayurvedic classics, Svedana, a Bashpa Sveda, Vastra, with the Vastra, the Bashpa Sveda is given. The Tapa Sveda may be given over the Sira, Mukha and Nasa Bhaga and the Manya Griva Bhaga and the Kanta Bhaga. Cloth is dipped with hot water may be useful in Mrudu Sveda, which is called as in the Bashpa Sveda, which is given. And next is, the major thing is, the pradhana karma, administration of a nasya, administration of nasya yoga. With a 45 degree of an patient, you may see in the case, the Indian figure, in a slide you may see, the position of an supine position with the arise posture of a neck bended to at an 45 degrees. The nasya dosage, whatever indicated by an Ayurvedic doctor, it is done. The nasya karma is done. And next, after a nasya karma, the administration of a nasya karma, observation of samyak yoga, ati yoga, and the yogas are seen. And next, the paschat karma. It includes the immediate measures after a nasya administration. Dhuma and Gandusha is done, and Parihara, Vishayas are explained to him, and in Paschat Karma about the Vyapads, about the contraindications, about the Vyapads, whichever been arised after Nasya Karma is taken into consideration and Chikitsa for it is done. These are all the Nasya Karma are the Arraign therapy procedures. Procedure has been explained. And next, the dosage. Dosage is another big topic which has so much of the differential opinions regarding this. Depends on the diseases. Overall, within the commonly dosage has been explained. The Hina Matra 4 drops, Madhyama Matra 6 drops, Uttama Matra 8 drops. Depending on the patients, depending on the drug, depending on the doshas, it may vary. You keep in mind, depending on a clinician, depends on the experience of and certainly Ayurvedian, it may be various. We may use the 4 drops Hina Matra as a better, or the Madhya Matra as an 6 drops, or Uttam Matra has been a better. Depends on the experience of a certain doctor, depends on the acharyas, it may differs. Finally, dose determination has been explained according to the classics. The Snehana is an 8 matra, and Madhyama is 32, and Uttama is 64. While we are using the Snehana Nasya. As a Rechana Nasya, if we are using Hina Matra is 4 drops, Madhyama is 6 drops, and 8 drops is Uttama Matra. As in Kalka, Outpidana Nasya, if we are using 4 drops, 6 drops, again 8 drops, as in Hina Madhyama Uttama. Pratimarsha, as we are advocating the patient to have on the Nasya to take the drops, nasal drops, and to put in his home in itself, within all the precautions or the procedure has been explained and told to patient to take the Nasya in home only. At that time, the 2 drops is advisable in all the Hina Madhyama and Uttama Matra. Dhumapana Chuna, 125 mg or 2 gunja Dhuma Chuna is used. In Uttama Matra, 3 grams is used. 1 bindu is defined as the oil collected by dipping his finger as till first phalangi. It is 1 bindu, means with our own hand, the finger is dipped and it is taken as is defined as 1 bindu. And here is on some of the aspects, some of the descriptions regarding the drug action, how the Nasya acts in the after a Nasya procedure. Nasya Dravya is enters into nasally. Lipid soluble substance has a greater affinity to passive absorption, diffuse through the plasma membrane of a nasal mucosa, and it reaches the olfactory receptor cells, olfactory nerves, olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, and next reaches the Srangataka marma, where the vital part situated on the surface of a brain corresponding to nerve centers. And Nasya Dravya stimulates the nerve endings, impulses the transmitted to CNS, central nervous system, and results into a scraping of a morbid doshas and head, extracts them out, normalize the 3 doshas, diminishes the pain, means relieves the pain, relieves the doshas. And next, the level of circulation, it has been explained. You may see on the posture of an Nasya, whatever I have been explained, the chair or nothing is comfortable. A 45-degree patient is made to sleep, and 45-degree of an tilting of an head should be done. Posture, whatever I have been shown, it is done according to that only. Posture of Nasya, drug administration, absorption of facial veins, backflow of blood vessels, inferior ophthalmic vein to venous sinuses, brain, approximately 22% of total dilatation of the cerebral capillaries caused by facial stimulation of 150% of an increased blood will be there. Svedana prior Nasya, stimulation of an efferent vasodilators, or the vasodilation is done before that, and it is another 2 diverts are there here. The momentary hyperplasia may happen, and the fall of arterial pressure, CS of pressure, increased CS of pressure will be there, brain arteries are compressed, transistent ischemia of a brain, subsequently arterial pressure rises, slushes and may be created the internal cranial space, more transfusion of an fluid to brain, possibly due to drug action. That's what the level of blood circulation after the Nasya Karma. Nasya Karma, it happens. And medicines in general, what are all the thailas are used? Anu thaila, it may be used in headache, rhinitis, sinusitis, can be also used as a preventive drug. Shat bindu thaila is used in the premature graying of hair fall, disorders of vision, milk for bleeding conditions from a nose pitta disorders, it is used as a pitta shamaka. You may remember the grata and the milk are the nasyas used in pitta shamaka as a pitta dominant diseases. cut Falachurna, removal of an accumulated mucus from an sinuses, Brahmithala used as a memory, sleep disorders, and this. And next is the Vatika Shirashula. The Kafapurna Talu are the Shiras Shodana and Vidar. Opidana in case of an Mansa Rogas. And Pradhaman in case of an Pradhamana Manovikaras has been explained. The Keshapatana, Praseka, Apasmara, and the Ati Utkrishta doshas in Dantapata, Aruchi, Shiro, Vedana, Krumi, and Smashropatana, Shiro, Gaurava, Moha, Murcha, Visha, and the Tivra Karna Shula, Urdhva, Jaturdogata Shofa, Apatantraka, and the Sanganasha, Timira Pinasa, and the Chitta Vyakulavasta, Nasa Roga, Ardhavedka, and the Krishna are the Visha. Krishna are the Visha. In Mukha Shosha, Krimi, Koshta are the Sannyasa, the opedness is given, and the Shodhanasa is given. And Vali Kalita Palate, the Apasmara, the Shodhana are the Snehanasa is given, and Krodha, the opedness is given. In Mukarogas, the Gandha Janana Nasha, where the Shodhana is given. And nowadays in pandemic it is used. In after this slide I will show you this three and the Krishna. This opedness is given. These are the nasya or whatever we used. These are the some of the tailas. These are the nasyas, whichever dominant nasyas used according to the clinical practitioner. And how the indications are the, what are all the indications? You may see where and all the nasya is done. In which are all the diseases nasya is done? In Shirostamba, in Gadgadatva, means the stiffness of head. Stiffness of head will be there. In the Ardhavavedaka, in migraine, Vagraha, where the discomfort are the Atrajya are the, where Vagraha is there. In Shirashula, in Griva Roga, in Akshishula, Swarabheda, Shukra Roga, Netra Roga, Galashundika, Raji, are the Tundikeri, are the Galashulika, mainly in so many of an ENT disorders, in the Urdu Jaturdita Rogas, like Mukharoga, and the Amashula, Karnashula, Dantaharsha, and Apatantraka, and the Apatanaka, in Ardhitvata, in Upajivika, Nasa Shula, Manyastamba. These are all the diseases according to the where the nasya is indicated. And general considerations which are all the contraindications. In the Bhukta Bhakta, Ajirna, and Pita Sneha, who has drunken oil argi in Pita Madhya, and who is consumed the alcohol, Pita Toya, who has taken water, Snehadi Pitu Karma, who wants to take a Snehana, and the Snata Sira, who did the head bath, Snatakama, who has want to have a head bath, and Kshudhata, having hunger, this Ramata, who is tired, Murchita, and the Vyabhaya Klanta or Vyayama Klanta, due to exercise, due to coitus, who is fatigued, and the Pana Klanta. These are all the whatever general contraindications according to the different achar, there may be a contraindication or indication. These are all the general, in general, the contraindications of nasyas. Then Virikta, who has undergone the Virechana, the Anuvasita, who has undergone the Anuvasana. In case of an Garbini, in case of an Krishna, in case of Kuruta, Krodha, Bala, Vradha, in case of an Vegava Rodita, in case of Sutika, Shwasa, Kasa, Durdena, and the bad season. If in the bad Rutu we do the Nasya, there will be a lot of contraindications, heaviness of head, and the running nose, it may lead to another disease, another valley. These are all the general conditions, contraindications, and the indications should be taken care and taken into consideration, and it is studied. These are all the same things. What in general, what are all the indications and contraindications? And next, directly I am entering to a case studies. Some of the very simple cases I have been what successfully we have got. I am going to concentrate on those. First case is Ardhitavata. As I explained before, the Ardhitavata treated with an corpus astyadi tailanasya for 7 days with the Panasapatra. You may see the procedure doing by the therapist, the Panasapatra Sveda, which is giving. With the corpus astyadi taila, we have got the good result in case of an Ardhitavata with an oral medications Ekangviras, with the Pulsineuron, Prasna Saptak Kashaya, and all. We have got the good results within so much physiotherapies and all exercises, facial exercise has been done, and patient diet within all the dietary restrictions and regimens, we have got the results. And post-COVID case, one of the case recently came before in 2 months after the treatment of an allopathy treatment he has been taken in our government hospital. Still there was patient has a loss of smell and sensation, loss of smell and taste was there. We were given our Sinurex drops, one of the Tikshanasya was there, which is a Shodhana Nasya, which is given a Sinurex drops as a Pratimarsha Nasya within 2 days with the oral medicine LSM Churna with Madhu. I asked him to suck every day, and Samchamroti TID was given with the Amritarishta as an 10 ml 3 times. It has been given as a oral medication. We have got the good result with an Nasya. You may see I have given that trade name, brand name. It's of an Sagar Pharma nasal drops or Nasya Dravya, which has got an ingredients. In that only you may zoom it and see the Nasya whatever I have been used. And Kalitya, in case of an Kalitya, Pratimarsha Nasya has given Aditaila Durdara Patra. Pratimarsha Nasya with an Aditaila is done. Durdara Patra Taila has been given to applications with an oral medications. The Kalitya with an oral medications with the Manjistadi Kashaya and the all treated with an all the acacia drugs. The Kalitya has been relieved. You may see in a case with the regrowth of an hair follicles or the hairs. And next, a patient non-diabetic came within 68 years female, came within the burning of an eyes, only burning of an. Of course, she had a complaints of an diabetic neuritis also. With that, the burning of an eye was more. We have done the Netradaha as an Tarpana Chikitsa, and also the either Pratimarsha Nasya was done, by which we have got the result. Netradaha was reduced. Patient till now also, she is under the Pratimarsha Nasya with Anutaila, which is very under control, with the under control of diabetic mellitus and the hypertension. And next is in dated OPDs, there are many more cases which I am using the Pratimarsha Nasya in case of an Pratishaya, in case of an Dushta Pratishaya, in case of an DNS deviated nasal septums, in allergic rhinitis cases. There are so much of cases day to day I am using many more ENT disorders. The Pratimarsha Nasya as the classical Nasya. It has got a good importance with an oral medicines, with an the dietary restrictions, with an food variations, whatever we have been explaining in our hospitals, we have got the good results in cases of Pratimarsha Nasya and Urtujatidagata Bhaga diseases. In below cases, mainly in Grivagraha, in the cervical spondylosis, in case of an Avabahuka, in case of an Vishwachi, in case of an Apabahuka, in case of an tendonitis cases, in case of an Shirashula, Vataja Shirashula, or in case of an migraine headache, where the Anidra is there, in case of an alopecia, in many more ENT disorders, in many more. In case of an so much of an like in Guillain-Barré syndrome also, in so much of a neurological disorders, the Nasya as a Pratimarsha or the classical Nasya is given, and we have got the good results in our OPD IPDs. Depends on the case, depends on the dosha, we are advocating the patient to have a Nasya procedure. And next, the conclusion, last I am going to tell you is that it can be concluded that Nasya Aushadhi reaches to brain via nasal route, acts on the higher centers like on brain, controlling different neurological, endocrinal or circulatory functions, thus showing the local as well as systemic effects. This administration drugs nasal route opens scope the both local and systematic drug administration. Nasal route of a drug administration promising it has got a good result oriented alternative route of a drug administration. Systemic and the central nervous system has got an action advantages in terms of a reduction of an systemic exposure. Hence, side effects or relevancy of an nasya hi shirasodwaram can be provided with the ultimately explains the mode of action of an the nasya. Nasya hi shirasodwaram for a phase, for a urdhva chaturthugata pata. Nasya is a dwara. It acts as a the dwara to all the medicines, for all the treatments. And next is we have got the reference in Agnisha Charaka Samhita, the Vidyodhini Tika with 10 page number 32, and in the Vagbata Ashtanga Hridayam and Ashtanga Sangra, and in case of an Shushrat Samhita, we have got the in Vagbata Ashtanga Sangra and in the commentary, in case of the Shushrat Samhita, in all the Lagutri and Bhagat days, we have got the good references. We have taken the references from those only. Hence, the types and the classical the Nasya procedure has been explained till now. So, I am going to complete today's session series with Nasya as a case studies, whichever I have been explaining till from 40 minutes. I think I have been focused with all the Nasya part, whatever the thing I have been taken. And next is thank you, Manenda.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this informative session. I am sure each one of us have learned a lot from this session and will definitely apply it in our clinical practices. I request students, if they have any queries, you can put your question in the chat box. Till then, I would like to tell students, for those who are new to this webinar, I would like to tell, to connect the students of Ayurveda all over the India, we have created a Telegram channel, Ayurvedic channel, the Indian Pathy. In that channel, we focus at daily quiz of UG as well as PG aspirants, various Ayurvedic and modern books, PDF and study material for students in this lockdown. Also, we share links of various webinars and competition updates in our WhatsApp groups. We also support young talents who are ready to present webinars at such a platform. If anyone wants to be a part of our channel and family, you can contact us at 7009 125 374. So, moving to the question answer. Here's a one question from Dr. Subhagya. Sir, Vataj Ardhav Bhedak best tail for Nasya? Vataj Ardhav Bhedak best tail for Nasya?
Any Shodh Nasya like Anutaila or the Vishnu Tail Nasya is best. Anutaila is better, sir.
Okay, sir. Next question is from Dr. Bist. In case of Netrada, dose of Anutela.
That's what the 4 drops with a minimal dosage, 6 drops and 8 drops.
Next question is from Dr. Shridhanya. Should Paschat Karma be followed in Pratimarsh also?
Should?
Paschat Karma be followed
Yes,
in...
sir, yes, it is maintained. It should be done. It should be done.
Okay. Next question is...
Paschat Karma does not need much more the dietary and restrictions, but we should maintain all the restricted procedures whatever been explained in our classics.
Next question is from Dr. Thompson. Except Shadbindu Tel Nasya, which others Nasya can be used?
Shadbindu Tel, I've been explained so much of Tailas, no? There are so much of Tailas I have been explained. The Anu Taila, Vishnu Taila, Karpas Astedi Taila.
Yes, sir.
So much of Tailas I have been explained.
Next question is from Dr. Juhi. Sir, all tel matra is for both nostril or one nostril?
And both in each nostril, the 4 drops, in each nostril, 6 drops, in each nostril, 8 drops, depends on the dosages, depends on to both the nasal cavity, both the nasal cavities it is done, the nasal is dropped.
Yes, sir. Next question is from Dr. Kiran. Sir, can you explain how to adjust dose with example with a disease like Ardit?
Sir, actually, it is the thing is the minimal dosage what I have been explained, the 4 drops in 4 drops, 6 drops, and the 8 drops, whatever the classically it has been explained, it should be followed. But it depends on the dosages, depends on the diseases. It has been converted, it has been changed.
Next question is from Dr. Thompson. For premature graying of the hair, except Shadbindu tel, which Nasse is better? I think sir has explained lot of tales. Next question is from Dr. Rishabh. Sir, please tell me about the usage of Nasya in the emergency conditions like acute headache, epistaxis.
There are so much of infection areas are used. Classically, it has been explained. In case of a severe headache, in case of a migraine, Ardavavedka, there are the so much of an Tikshna Nasaj and Shodhana Nasaj has been explained. I have been shown in my PPT, and you may go through that.
Next question is from Dr. Amitabh. Sir, please explain something about the Paschat Karma.
Paschat Karma have been explained now. There are so much of the things should be taken into consideration. The Paschat Karma has been explained. All the conditions, the immediate measures after Nasya Karma, it is taken into care. The Duma and Gandusha is done. After Nasya Karma, the Duma is given and the Gandusha is done with the warm water. With a warm water, gargling, or the throat is cleared through and warm water. And parihara depends on the ayoga, ati yoga, and the yogas. The parihara is done. If the yoga or the ati yoga, hina yoga depends on those may be varied. It may be corrected. And the vapors, the diseases and the chikitsa of a certainly diseases are being taken into consideration after the Nasya Karma. Mainly the salt water, the warm water gargling is done in Pratimarsha conditions. In classically, whatever we are doing, if we are doing the Nasya in our hospital care, the classical, in case of a classical Nasya, the Gandusha, rather than the Gandusha, the patient is taken to yoga and ati yoga are taken into considerations. Are the Duma is given. The Duma is given. These are all the Paschat Karma procedures.
Yes, sir. Next question is from Dr. Deepthi Patil. Best tail in case of Shirashula migraine disease. What are the doses?
Best thaila in Shirashula migraine is a kind of, I am using the Anuthaila and next the Corpus thaila. And next, nowadays I am using the Vishnu thaila as a Nasya in majorly in more cases. And this, the dosage for it is 4, 6 and 8 drops.
Next question is from Dr. Shiba. In migraine condition, which Nasya is best? I think recently sir has answered. Next question is from Dr. Rohini. Sir, can we give Anutal Nasya in case of Rakt Avrit Vat?
We should see the conditions, sir, but it is contraindicated.
Next question is from Dr. Subhagya. In fertility, which kind of Nasya is indicated?
Infertility.
Yes, sir.
In case of infertility, sir, the Brahmaninasya are used. Depends on the neurological problems, depends on the hormonal variations. If it is there, the Brahmaninasya or the Shodhanasyas are used.
Next question is from Dr. Kiran. Can we treat nasal polyp with Nasya or it should be excited?
With oral medications, with the Nasya, it is treated.
Next question is from Dr. Rishabh Singh. Role of Nasya Karma in epilepsy. Can we treat epilepsy with Nasya Karma?
Yes, with oral medications, within restricted diet conditions, the Nasya is done and it is treated.
Next question is, please explain about the Nasya Karma in Kusht as Sushrut explained every third day Nasya.
Yes, it is done. On third day, after Virechana, after Chodhana, the Nasya Karma is done.
Next question is from Dr. Janik Trivedi. Sir, person gets blocked nose in full fan condition and gets running nose in hot or warmer area from last 5 years. Should he be given Nasya or Vaman?
If the doshas are if the doshas are less, it is tried with the Nasya. With the oral medications, the Omana is done as the Urdu Jaturta Shirogata Bhagas or in case of Pratishaya, the Omana may be done. Omana is a line of treatment there. In Baudosha conditions, the Omana is done. After that, we may be tried within the Nasya Karma as a Pratimarsha Nasya, we may be with a patient, we may try it.
Next question is from Dr. Amitabh. Sir, in Paschatkarm, Dhumpan with haldi, ghee and til can be used in all cases?
May be done, sir. Not in all cases, may be done.
Next question is, in case of Nasya, which tel or grit should use?
Gogrut is used. In case of Taila, whatever I have been explained, they may go through the presentation slide, whatever I am sending.
Next question is, role of Nasya in hypertension.
Yes, it is maybe done, sir. It has got a good importance in the hypertension. In case of an Ucha Raktachapa, it has been gotten good result.
Next question is, can we use Nasya to regain consciousness?
Can you use?
Nasya to regain consciousness.
Yes, the Tikshna Nasyas are used. In case of a stroke condition, where the Tikshna Nasyas are used.
Next question is from Dr. Shiba. In hormonal imbalance of TSH in hypothyroidism cases, Nasya is given, sir.
Yes, it is used. In case of a thyroiditis case, in case of a thyroid cases, it is the Nasya is preferably used. Depends on doshas, depends on the conditions, the hypothyroidism or the hyperthyroidism, it is used.
Next question is from Dr. Rishabh. Can we use Panchagavya Grit Nasya in epilepsy? Panchagavya Grit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. So I think we are done with our question session round. So thank you once again, sir. We are lucky enough so we get a chance of learning these concepts of Nasya Karma, like case studies like Arditvat, post-COVID cases, Khalitya, Netradaha, Pratishyay. Special thanks to the IUTIP team and my family, Dr. Deepak Mantri and Dr. Deepti Patil. Without them, this webinar was not possible. Thank you so much for joining, students, and thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We will see you in the 4th day of this webinar series.
Thank you for all the organizers and the participants. Thank you.
Thank you so much.